This four-legged robot dog is exploring the slopes of Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano. It's designed to sniff out gases that can signal changes in volcanic activity, which researchers say can reduce the risk of sending people into potentially hazardous terrain. The mechanical canine was created at the Robotic Systems Lab at ETH Zurich. Julia Richter is one of the university's researchers.
Generally, volcanoes are very unpredictable environments, right? We do want to predict when eruptions will occur, and for this we need data. And in order to get those data, we need some people or any way of getting the instruments onto the mountain. The problem is if we want to send people, it's very logistically challenging as well as hazardous since we have toxic gases there, we have very unstable terrain, and for this we want to use robots instead.
The robot is equipped with cameras that can 3D scan. It also has sensors and a mass spectrometer that allow it to take in and measure various kinds of gases. In order to walk over crater rims, loose volcanic sand, and other rough ground, the robot uses a type of artificial intelligence called reinforcement learning to help it learn and make decisions based on its environment. Richter says navigating the volcano's landscape was one of the biggest challenges.
AI is super relevant for us in the sense of that the robot's locomotion policy, so how the robot actually moves its motors in a coherent way, is trained via reinforcement learning. And this allows the robot to develop very robust control algorithms that actually make it overcome difficult terrains such as what we encountered on the volcanic site.
In field tests on Etna, the researchers reported 3 autonomous missions in varied terrain, achieving autonomy rates of about 93 to 100%. The robot detected 5 of 8 deliberately deployed helium sources used as stand-ins for gas emissions. Richter hopes in future field tests, the team can improve autonomy even further and send the robot on faraway missions.
And what our goal is to achieve this full autonomy, that we can actually give the robot a goal which is several hundreds meters away, even kilometer scale, and the robot autonomously navigates there. What's very interesting about this deployment is also that actually getting robots out into the wild. And I think that's very interesting to highlight because many of those videos which we see out there of robots being in kitchens, robots being in manufacturing, all of these environments are very controlled. And it's something different than to put robots actually out into the field, be it a forest, be it a volcano. And I think that's a very